Ito na yung part 2 niya. So, kailangan natin maging mabilis kasi kailangan talaga natin kasi. Ayan na, nilock na siya. So, ito na yung mga clothes niya. Handa na natin yung table. So, guys, mahirap yung table na part kasi madami kang kailangan gawin. Yung upuan. Sabog na sabog. Okay. So, mag-make tayo ng controllers. Taking chair. So, mag-make tayo ng Zero. Mazetala natin. Lala. DIY nga lang pala to. Okay, so itong candle, ewan ko para saan ko to lalagay. Dito. Para mas romantic. So, parang feeling ko natapos na ako. Kailangan na natin siya maging stand. Oh, asan yung ipit? Ay, so nga pala. Part of that. There's information bulletin. I really like them. So, ba't kasi tinanggal ko?
I find myself trusting in these rooms.
Have a lovely place. What? Meet me at the rooftop. Let's go in the day. Oh no! So, help me! Okay. You take off. Bro, my problem is why her shoes is like her skin color. Oh my gosh! Yeah, magugulo lang to eh! Para kang si Milea. Tusok ng puwet. Oh, I have dresses here. Let me get the stickers. Guys, pick me what stickers I choose for put my dress. Please.